Welcome back to Grammar Grade 6. This is Unit 8, Lesson 49, and today we're taking subject-verb agreement one step further. Last time our subjects were nouns, like a cat or the cats. Today our subjects are pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. These little words carry a big job because the verb still has to match them. Let's see exactly how. Let's warm up with a quick recap. Agreement means the verb changes its form to fit its subject. One dog barks with an S on barks, but two dogs bark, no S. The subject and the verb always match in number. Today we keep that same idea, but the subject is a pronoun instead of a noun. Let me show you which pronouns behave which way. Start with the pronouns he, she, and it. These are third-person singular, and they take the verb with an S on the end. Listen. He runs every morning. She sings in the choir. It works perfectly now. Runs, sings, works. Each one ends in S. Whenever your subject is he, she, or it, reach for that S form of the verb. One person or one thing, one little S. Now the other group. I, you, we, and they. These take the plain verb with no ending added. Watch the same verb, run, but with no S. I run every morning. You run so fast. We run together. They run home. No S at all. So even I, which is just one person, still uses the no-ending verb. Keep I, you, we, and they on the plain verb side. Here are both sides together at a glance. On top, he walks, she walks, it walks. These add the S. On the bottom, I walk, you walk, we walk, they walk. These take no S. Notice the pattern? Out of all 7 pronouns, only 3 of them, he, she, and it, add the S. Everybody else uses the plain verb. Learn that one rule and you've got most of it. Now for a special verb that breaks the simple S rule. The verb be. It has its own forms you'll want to memorize. With I, we say I am, not I is. With you, we, and they, we say are. You are, we are, they are. And with he, she, and it, we say is. He is, she is, it is. So it's I am, you are, he is. Say that little chant a few times and it will stick. The same split shows up with the verbs have and do. For he, she, and it, we use has. He has a plan. She has a bike. But for I, you, we, and they, we use have. I have, you have, we have, they have. The verb do works the very same way. He does the dishes with does, but they do the dishes with plain do. He, she, and it get has and does. Everybody else gets have and do. Here's the spot people slip on the most. Doesn't versus don't. Because he, she, and it use does, they also use doesn't. So we say, he doesn't know with doesn't. It is not correct to say, he don't know, even though you'll hear it out loud sometimes. Now for I, you, we, and they, the word is don't. They don't know. We don't know. So it's he doesn't, but they don't. Match the pronoun to the right one, and you'll always sound right. Let's turn this into a quick check you can run on any sentence. First ask, is the subject he, she, or it? If yes, add the S to the verb. Second, is it I, you, we, or they? If yes, use the plain verb with no S. And remember, the verbs be, have, and do have their own special forms. Am, is, are, has, have, does, do. Keep those in your back pocket. Ready to practice? In this first set, each sentence gives you 2 verbs. Pick the one that agrees with the pronoun subject. Pause the video and try each one yourself before I reveal the answer. She blanked the piano beautifully. The subject is she, and she is one of our he, she, it pronouns. So the verb needs the S. That gives us plays. So the answer is plays. They blank soccer after school. Now the subject is they, which sits in the I, you, we, they group. Those take the plain verb with no S, so it's play, not plays. The answer is play. I blank ready for the trip. Here, the verb is a form of be, and with the pronoun I, the form is always am. We never say I is. So the answer is am. I am ready. Now a trickier set using be, has, and doesn't. Same idea. Match the verb to the pronoun. Pause and try each before I answer. He blank a new bicycle. The subject is he, one of our he, she, it pronouns. So the form of have becomes has. He has a new bicycle. So the answer is has. We blank at the same school. The subject is we, which is in the you, we, they group. So the be verb is are, not is. We are at the same school. The answer is are. It blank work when it rains. The subject is it, one of our he, she, it pronouns. So the word is doesn't, not don't. It doesn't work when it rains. So the answer is doesn't. Let's wrap up. When your subject is he, she, or it, the verb adds an S. He runs, she sings, it works. When it's I, you, we, or they, use the plain verb with no S. I run, they run. And the verbs be, have, and do have their own forms to remember. I am, he is, he has, and he doesn't. Match the pronoun to the right verb and your sentences will always agree. Nice work today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.